Today I'm looking at just doing a quick video. I just want to show you a little bit about this Kastar batteries and charger I did receive. I did pay for this myself. This is not a sponsored video. I've been using this product for a long time, this brand, and absolutely love the quality of the batteries and the chargers. They work every time. I use them for all my projects, and I just want to show you what they look like. A lot of times you order these and you just don't know what they look like. So I got the set of 2 batteries and the charger combo, and there's tons of combinations with just chargers and just batteries and whatever you want to do. It's totally unlimited. There are options, but these batteries, how they come, just to show you in this set. This is for my Sony ZV-1F actually camera, and very common battery and very reasonably priced. So you got 2 batteries and you got the charger in this kit. And how the batteries come is in these 2 boxes, and it comes in a big box like this. So it comes in a big box, which is easy. And they come all individually wrapped in plastic, so really cool. And they come also in a hard case. Now, it's really nice that they give you that hard case option. A lot of companies don't give you that hard case option, and I like that quite a bit. I just want to give you a close-up of the battery. There is the battery right there. So let me get it right there so you can see it. Again, big Kastar. This is the NP-BX1. It's 3.7 volts, 1240 milliamps, and 4.59 watt hours. Let's get a close up of that so you can see that. I want you to see what I'm talking about right there. So really good quality battery. They work. They hold up, like I said. And for the money, this is how they come. You get 2 of them in 2 hard cases, just like you see here. And I'm going to just show you the charger real quick. And just want to, my opinion, and this all came wrapped also in plastic. I took the plastic off just to make it a little faster. And what's cool about these chargers, they have pop-out charging stands, which is nice. I like these. I like to actually plug them in the wall. I don't know why. I just like to do that. And they also come, and they all fit perfectly. And so how it works, you just pop the battery in. It turns red when it's charging, and when it's done, it's green. So full feedback, which is super important when you're charging your battery. You want to know where you're at. So that's where it's at. Quick review. Let you know. Highly recommend this brand. Definitely my favorite in battery technology. Great job. Thanks so much for watching the review. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it brought you some value.